Jeans. They never go out of style. But the kind of jeans I'm into right now is what I call Hippie Chick Jeans. Remember Tom Ford's Spring '99 collection for Gucci? The moment his jeans hit the runway, everyone was gobsmacked. In an instant, everything that came before them was passé. The woman who wore them was the chicest, sexiest, most interesting woman in the room. She embodied authenticity, a cool detachment. Well, I'm excited about those jeans and I want a pair. We need to do this. I'm going to share some ideas on how to customize your own Hippie Chick jeans. Sloan style, of course. But first, let me give you the backstory of how Hippie Chick jeans originated. It all started in the late 60s when young people were fed up with Western society. So they took off on the cheap, hitchhiking, traveling by bus, to places like Nepal, Bali, Morocco, Afghanistan. They were searching for adventure, escapism, tolerance, freedom, peace, love, spiritual, and psychedelic experiences. Now, as they became more and more inspired during their travels, their clothing style began to change. And what emerged was a hip counterculture that celebrated boldness, a forward-looking and experimental spirit. Their jeans began to represent those very ideals by embodying creativity, individualism, freedom, a kickback bohemian way of life. To take a stand against mainstream fashion, they started customizing their jeans with the local textiles and craftsmanship they saw while traveling. Embroidery, hand painting, artisanal workmanship all showcased skill and attention to detail. It added to the uniqueness and charm of their jeans. Check out these updated Hippie Chick jeans I found online for inspiration. They're really easy to recreate and will set you apart from the bunch. These are reminiscent of Paco Rabanne style. The use of rings to attach denim squares create visually striking, structurally unique jeans. They showcase a forward-thinking approach to fashion. I love this mixed use of denim, scale, pattern, and hue. Patches on the seat of jeans are a unique and playful element and draw attention. Star-shaped patches blend practicality with fashion. Patches covering the thighs and knees, you can use designer logo patches for a unique, fashionable way to repurpose luxury branding into everyday wear, and it also makes a strong style statement. I call this mixed media, using different sizes and layers of textiles such as plaid and denim. Studs on jeans seams add a distinctive, edgy detail, creating a stylish and contemporary look. Studs are typically placed along the outer seams of the jeans, running down the sides of the legs, from the waistband to the hem. They can also be found on the pockets or yoke for added embellishment. Stripes running from the waistband to the hem down one leg create a bold and artistic look, setting the jeans apart from standard designs. This customization reflects personal style and creativity. The stripes can be of varying widths and colors, creating a dynamic and eye-catching design. Floral designs often evoke a bohemian or retro aesthetic, reminiscent of flower power and hippie fashion. Flowers can be scattered randomly across the jeans, or arranged in specific patterns. Text on jeans create a deeply personal and meaningful piece of clothing. It can reflect favorite quotes, beliefs, and artistic expressions. They can transform a plain pair of jeans into a unique, wearable piece of art. This customization sets the jeans apart from mass-produced designs. They draw attention and are a definite conversation starter. Stencils allow for very clean, precise, intricate designs that would be difficult to achieve freehand. The edges are sharp, the details are clear. There are endless possibilities for customization, making each pair of jeans unique. Multiple stencils can be combined to create complex designs. Now that you're inspired, let's get started. Start with a pair of jeans. My suggestion is to use a pair of loose-fitting jeans. They make everyone look relaxed, confident, and effortless, which is key to nailing the hippie chick look. That said, whatever style looks best on you, that's what you should go with. Regarding customization, you could do it yourself, ask a local tailor or dry cleaners to add your chosen embellishments. Or, the Levi's store will customize your jeans with patches. Just give them a call. Now let's start with your choice of fabric that you'll add to the bottom of your jeans. The length is up to you. I've been considering adding a Saint Laurent red scallop. Now, you can find fabric stores online such as Project Runway's go-to fabric store, Mood. You can go to your local fabric store. Etsy's an excellent source for fabric. Or you can try the online fabric store, Spoonflower. With Spoonflower, you can choose fabric from their amazing designs, or they let you create your own textile. Can you imagine how fabulous your jeans will look with that type of creative control? Let's discuss fabric options. These mod designs are from Spoonflower. As mentioned, they also let you design your own fabric. Eyelet fabric on the hem of white jeans give you a Boho and Saint-Tropez look. Don't sleep on feathers. Feather-adored jeans are eye-catching and distinctive, making a strong fashion statement that reflects creativity and individuality. Now, depending on the design, feather jeans can evoke a bohemian or a high-fashion avant-garde look. So if you're asking, where can I wear my hippie chick jeans? I have you covered. They're plain, or you're plain. Strolling through that cute farmer's market, when you're feeling like a baddie. A rooftop bar, during your Italian summer. When you're out and about. Hippie chick jeans. It's what I'm into. Well, that about wraps it up. I've had a blast putting this together. I'm Dawn Edwards. This is Hello Sloan. Please, post your customized hippie chick jeans. I know with your style and creativity, when you wear them, you'll stop them dead in their tracks. But we're just getting started. Here's a sneak peek at the next episode of Hello Sloan, part of a series I'm developing called That Type of Woman. First up, Talitha Getty.
She was the greatest femme fatale I ever met. Ever. I can assure you. I can understand how a man would get mad for her and destroy his life.